Reure. Kwenda kuacha. Oh yes. You see, development, there are some cultures that have changed. You see, people would trek long distance. Yes. Actually, communication running.
Asa CBC digosia ina ho.
It's a means of communication. Means of communication. Work on telephone. We have never heard of it. Yes. Qualifax. Telegram. Now long distance
running. And smoke.
And the African talking drums.
The video are obsolete.
Totally obsolete. Well, on a my head, your smoke was not a signal.
No, it was not.
But we would have a long distance runner.
Running.
On actually Bishara Akoya Modos Yori. Ako the say you Marwa Kamuti.
Some on the toilet.
Ako other say you Marwa, he had a stick. Other Sheromarwa, and I think that was a signal. Nadafati wake out here. He's supposed to be given right of way. Yeah, and passage.
On the speedy post.
On the EMS speed post.
Adrisi how neto adiri taka. Todo na mushire muno ni ogena iro maro yakwa ndiko na moko.
No, o tuikani ngongoke.
O twari o tutho gwa tata guo.
Yes. So nowadays people don't walk that much. Todo ngwa yokire means. Gari. Motorbikes, what have you. Riata ne ado mathi ya biuri. Ni kwa ina fashion culture ona nita thirite ya bakora. Yes. Walking stick. Yes. Bakora is naciori. They would be clustered back then. Niciona nagia we haria urugameire ki mondo. Hemo kwa jona agathuri naguo. Ukamenya oni arire retire.
Evo kwajure, it was a social statement.
Yes. You see me kwajo kwali eno yari ya uno ameonana mishuki. Tawi hora diana the CNC Uhuru Kenyatta. And I think His Excellency William Ruto na kiakiro go. I think it's conferred to them.
Yeah, to the
CNC of whatever. Mukwajo we kaleva. Wona okwetu ni mishuki.
Ruju ne wa authority and opulence.
Anyasha onogethie documentaries cia atongoria teneri ni wona maoete iguru makimekike
anya
statement
na matua mai.
Yes, and mzee Jomo Kenyatta mikwajo makuaga we mikwajo. I think they were actually imported. Yes,
sho titi ya washo yo
ni hoginya ikahana taika modo kale tha ho ekira guoko hau thinta na kamodo aikarathi uguo ao nyitogu. Yes. Mukamanyeo ne buro.
Na mundu ucio opinion yake ne athikagiririo.
Na ndaragia muno.
Hapana.
Na manyu matiarevaga. Toni mamenya no ne njohie ngiki. Rocio.
Matia exaita gwate ne njohi.
No.
Acha.
Amona na ruhia na mukwanyu anyitecio. Akauga
nda ngofia aka boy.
Nda fikirio nguo mauga. Aba kuruta ngofia ke make point. Nda fikirio nguo mauga. Na nguo na njira ya. They were not also very opinionated. Aba kumuthikiria inyuothe. Uria waitho wawe rugari. Undu ucio ni wekitwo kundu twari nyarugunga. Hendio na bakora menyithetio nguo. Ibakora yo is like you know, there's even a time the president had a symbol of that nature. That is, His Excellency Ruto Dagi ukanaga thibu athi atumaki.
Bana.
We bakora ziare cia itanga. We kwa mundu na bakora ya solid mahogany. Yes. Ugena ito this black airborne. Yes.
Na riu itanga ni ciare na bari.
Yes.
Ugakora ti wa bakora emwe. Depending with the occasion, agacenjania.
He has a ceremonial one. When he means business, au maana ke. No sio. Ona mugiania na aicho mokete no iwa. Ide baba bero ko die gesuka. Ne kuona githino getie kwanirira muno.
Ndio namba kore yo.
Ne namba ukinya kore kwa pani paper. Ndere kerio we buye. Nyo yanga. Ukamanya that is his ceremonial and there is a local one. Now I know masari kanya muri. Bakora sio improvised. Na moduru ni onago atari very progressive. Agetrimia na muaga. See, they are the village inebriates who would drink at every opportunity. Ni akinya hadu akaigwa
ene drink available.
Kawa kudi ne kali to hakidogo. Na hakene muharuruka. Avia the nearby vegetation. Akauna kidu ya weka atia.
Yewe tirimia.
Society never diona Maria Domena uchawishi. As you know, society, they don't have any contribution to the general economy.
And the Harambe philosophy.
Yes. And Bakora is here. They would make a point. They were also a communication device. Yes. Mudurio si akiari nieka gestures na Bakora. Mukamenya ori arauga. Ani oro taginya kaua munda wa kwari.
No kuono.
Wanjo yari. Odire wera lo. Yo kuona haria.
Toka metarakwa.
Metarakwa tigana yo. Nuona ichani hau urisi hereiru. Utigo wakwa. Wakwa.
And in few instances,
yes,
it was a weapon.
It was a weapon. It was a first line of
defense.
Ajora muduria geure buma na bakora wajora. It was also a weapon and a punishing the device. Yes. Gukaguori niagio ni otokira rona niri atonda yota kwenyerania na weri akuhenereria junge
Iraka gwache murio Raikarete hau nikagwa cia roa. Akaigua wetana kiugo gitari na ungai na hau.
Yes. Irakagwaci. Aka. Hau au kuruma ni acokagia mugambo thi. No ni akuigua au kuruma anyway.
Wena na ngaragu ciaku na muhaha.
You see,
wa irio ri.
At that age, ungiagweteirwo irio ri. Ugo niguo reason ya kumbaga.
Ugagiuka ogwace ni gukagua.
Wow, there irio ri. Your brain would have a would cease. Ni akagia cheki ichi. Oka. We ugoda nyana ni na. Wakinya hau ri. You see, hakine cia coka we na makinya ta maya.
Utigetie makinya meri umukinyire.
Ukagwa this is a trap.
This is a trap.
And by that time, moko mayu kaokagirwo mukwa njugingo.
Agakuhook.
Kaiba, why? giko giki kia mwana ndio anakuligana bakore ya ni ndire sagu gochu hia mira Kenyagia kwa kia bakio kiuragia ke bure sana kana bara yangu kaguore ndwari na oreria aige including your mother
bara yangu kaguore ndiare mureria ndwagacuguo
eroragira maitogu eroragira uhurwo oke akohiuhi Giconoka etuete uguku nie nyenyeranagia nawe guku ndio arikaria ogitego very unprintable words so gwana wakuragiria no so gwana ta guka gore twari akeni used to find it very odd okay urage mwana Bernard
ine atia be
kabagoro kire muthuri okura mwana tamburi wezie maundu maku we nigo tumaya manjage you know your grandmother would go the offensive aka bruise ego yaguka guo okarekio mwana cio omuhura waguo tondu ithe ti mwandike wira wa kuhura muru guo maiko niki tondu akurehagira njohi niki mathata ma muru guo ukiruta na mwana wake
ukaguo the machi could do ni uthiritanishwo guo nake ni akumuringana bako
no ya bara no ni kugirania nginya wewe wana cio muhura tondu atuetwo gwitu andu ri nginya watini akiande no rorete horio
na ciana guku no kundutha bara
ure ciana guku nio kwanja shoguo ri you know women have a remarkable way of keeping history and reference they are ram
yao nene
can access any file and they know the keywords urake ora mwana cio guo mwarire nake mbeca na hiki cia retire wana waragia cia mundu mukegu Rothi ore hiki acio makurire mbeca kuri guo ndekera fukire ruga ugiconoka ukuruta mathata maku makuri mbeca ciaku cio kuru
na mwana
niki joyfully
na shoguo nake to no mugiri she will maintain a safe distance
yes you know she is experienced near the
parameters Kaguo noko wakuhiukirwo bare wa mukore
na aririkanio ikiere marire mbeca na ori arekagia mwana ucio hau akamenya mukari orocio
otaku memerekia
ndugithie kanitha wandikithie mandirira ndarire mbeca na hiki niki mutumia uyu no wona diare nguhikie we okay yaso gwa ukigiretio no ukikania kuweta waile mane ngukuringa no how shoguo ona no that is the red
that is a red flag
kaya gotiga tondu wina maku
ingora ikumbi
ese ciarania nĩ ngũraga tũmorage o marie those historic archives they used to work on your grandfather
instantly
wacinda mbeca cia BAT rĩ mũthako ũrĩa warĩ kuo rĩ leo hii guka go yashindia kitaita no kira geta sport the ball
Bia na dogo
kazi kwenda dogo cia kore agua yuko cigitengera
na maringo
andu ngiconoka hura mwana ta ikuri aria mboco Moria pesa na merendio soke urute mathata na mwana ariho
and you know that is how some family scandals were passed down generations.
Yes.
How no amenya gira guka guo ni ari ire pia
ni no mo menya tu bia thogu ae uthoma ciana ici ngire America atakuothe ciana ciao ci murimo wale ile mbeca nginya waigite muini
Eva
since it's Thursday, we go back way back, sometimes very back. Yes. You see, curriculum yukite cenjetie over the years.
Curriculum ya mathomo.
Bajetie na I think hede weka OCP. Tene vyo weka oginya intermediate. Yes.
Ucio ni tene.
Ni tene. Ado intermediate re.
Ado intermediate ni atene.
Aigene mafauda mama kambuni maria muwe mega tu. Intermediate yo na digo cia kwe marika maitu. Na. Ado aria mekaga general. You know, there was basic as quality and you get general knowledge. Ngombe ni yako gurumaigan maundu
makuona na maitho.
Oh, never mind. Kuri andu bandu maringaga thi.
Such is life.
Such is life.
Every generation has a mixture of that kind of people.
Of course, go look at the CPE generation. They are also not young people. They make it a CPE. They are not young.
Hapana.
Yes.
Adwa CPE onaotia nini?
Hapana. Leo adwa leo tu ya the millennials. Ni a KCPE. The 8044 system. Format on
that was phased out.
It's phased out. Of course, in favor of the competency-based curriculum.
CBC.
Yes. Not what we are CBC. Hema do you 844. Some of us used to be as myopic. Just ya deshi. Amenete githomo. Tuganya mwe ne kuga to tuga we andika 8 hyphen 4 tuga 8 minus 4 minus 4 is 0.
Enemy there.
Some of us were celebrated idiots. We either more can everything 8 minus 4 minus 4
is 0.
Is 0. Ego kina CBC 844 those of us who will remember even in the most rural schools a polling station iria cia rugongo piu centers ya jajo
na uikia wakura
ano shukuru tena itiali rugiri
hapana
rugiri rwagukura yes yo igwa ati what do you call this fund that MPs get
NGCDF
yes ni ya kila perimeter wall ya thukuru
na kihigo what have you
yes they might have barbed wire tena shukuru ya access from anywhere yes
udaingia
ona mugithoma ni muona mundu aituka na uhiu wake waigara kona mama mocio ni thoguo no kona ba guthondia hau areithie kanyaki kia uja wa kirathi nigetha muonie no ura karire family legacy okoya guoko orie nothing
Thogu afanya ti bongora aratumire thukuru
thogu agie gratification ya bithi katia
arehaga.
But there was a very unique lesson area hii Generation Z no ya Muthoni na Stacy and the general generation ya Generation Z Matoy yet and it was run by the KIE which is now the
KICD.
Yes, the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development.
Ito KICD omuthi.
Ito Kenya Institute of Education. Mutaratara mai naguo wetagwo riri radio lessons. Yes,
lesson is cia radio.
Na cukuru nyina KIE was very effective on that. So digweciria gwe cukuru even the remotest matatwarirwo kare
radio ciari ko mathukuru mothe.
Yes,
yote
ndio aithe mwe kana igiri depending on the classes. Na ni mwakiheo time table uria muthondekagwo time table ya cukuru ri KIE would release a timetable
for radio lessons.
Mukero aramithi kwina mathabu ma radio. Na edeyori, you know, those are the ages of enlightenment. Tutionete radio muno.
Miakeo timesio the hard radio.
Na so what akoragwo nayo. Actually your father would loiter athie kwa neighbor agathikeria radio.
Kaiwe taarifa.
Yes. Kana gathie karugama aigwa kundu kuraria radio ri. Akamwira muthiage atithie. Aya tu ndaraigua mwago. No erugirire teiye rwimbo rwake rutararuthire. So there were those radio lessons. Na ciarehagwo ni I think mostly the voice that we identify with mostly is the voice of Elizabeth Omolo. Yes,
Elizabeth Omolo.
Yes, ni kwari ya secondary arehagwo ni ya Morris Matesh, literature for schools and what have you. Na rekegwira muthenya uria kwina githomo kia radio utie mundu watira.
Muthenya wa radio gutiri mundu ungiatirire.
We mwana gatatata murona atangathi acio. Alafu arimu wa radio nao ni mari tone njega muno. Matia mwaragiria guni.
Na kumwetania na ido very local.
Yes. Matia mweta aburi.
Na cia warubaga.
Nado mazo kagia. Waigua either cia radio lesson. Mugekirirwo KBC English Service. Siokagira ku. Siokagira githweri-ini. Mugekirirwo. Hello learners. Good morning boys and girls. Good morning teacher Eddie. How are you? Na le mama nyago no gotugocokia the editor they would give you that space ya kuhoyoka. I hope you had a lovely week and they had diction. I didn't want you they had good diction. I hope you had a lovely week. On this week's program, welcome to English lesson number 28. I am Mwalimu Kamotho. And I am teacher Miriam. Repeat. Mr. Kamotho. Mrs. Miriam. Very good learners. Today Ede mwalimu wanyu ri aikarete onake ni mesmerized.
Onake ni ethire desk ya mundu utirire.
Yes.
Enyua desk ini.
He's struggling to hide excitement. Today we are going to learn about nouns. Repeat. Nouns. What is a noun, teacher Miriam? A noun is the name of a place, a person, a city, or a specific.
Riu kona riu machopikira thire. Huma kajia kubandika.
Yes.
Yes ya theci no ngegu.
Yes ya theci roria arekira mekira break ya rwebori. Tuni mekira break. Maugaga, Teacher Miriam, give us 2 examples of nouns. Miriam, Nairobi, USA,
Canada.
Boys and girls, give your teacher examples of the nouns you know. We kiro ka instrument. Ru just ya this ya ko at home.
Karaoke.
Mwalimu akaruga manake and people are very excited.
Very.
Come out. Joshua, stop mentioning names. Mention other nouns. Cow.
House.
Goats. Fish. Well done, learners. Nouns.
No, mutonini mumakuneona. Tato wathomire tene muno.
No, we were wild. No, it was transistorized radios. Na nikanagirira wega tugakona mahiga meru.
Ira thukuru ni ahota kugura mahiga.
Yes. Nekaiga go hari oguo. Mukora ni rothi yothe yukita.
Yukite kirathi.
Ekwanyu. That was it for this week's edition of Radio Lesson. I hope you have learned proper nouns and look forward to the next lesson. Please clap for your teacher. Mwalimu nake rweboro ya kiromacho kari normal programming akahoria just ya thesi kabumena muno
etorogameria rwimbo niki
yes
ega tuigua rwimbo
nona kororo guo mathabu no mahaura andu na memaredi. Good morning, boys and girls. I'm teacher Elizabeth Omolo. Today, we are going to learn mathematics radio lesson number 96. Today, ladies and gentlemen, no, boys and girls.
Boys and girls.
Today, boys and girls, we are going to learn about denominators and enumerators. Repeat. Wakiro. Wakora repeat. Wewe ko repeat yako leo. Posi ile amoko yetu ole.
Nithirire.
Ni makiana posi ole. But ya consider mwana ni githeci. Space yako ndio an average lana. Nimako mbeki psychology ya speed ya mushiria wake.
Muruto wa kawaida.
Ewe biro pale. Ni afatara ida ihara ihu. Riri radio etari.
Pozio nene muno radio ide.
Fractions are in several types. Proper fractions and improper fractions. The top is called the enumerator. Below one is called the denominator. For example, 1/4, in other words known as a quarter, is a proper. Give your teacher examples of proper fractions. How do you want to figure
mwalimu waju depending na emotions ciake.
Yes.
Ni yagi akinyire handu mwe kurikia lesson iyo.
Yes.
Mukamurakaria akamba kumuriha.
Akahoria nyamu amurihe.
Akahoria nyamu.
Yes.
Amurihe.
Na no timo kuwa yathi ni yathi.
Mukora no guo no menyo.
Karibu kwenye somo letu la leo la hisabati. Mimi na wewe ama letoma mwaka mnyozi onego force. Mimi ni mwalimu Gashuri. Na mimi hapa ni mwalimu Wanja. Siku ya leo wanafunzi tutasoma kuhusu maneno yenye maana tofauti lakini matamshi sawia. Rudia. Sinonemia na homonemia. Tofauti je ni nini? Sinonemia ni maneno yenye no mwake na muno mwari mukwaja akoro ndoi wega kana hii program ne ciaragirwo kidogo agekira akirora kana mwarimu ni okire mukaigua ndumbu
ya solo
ndombulu sikutala mami dunia ya malungu na sikutala
Ugina batajika akindu
muga
amule ikarire hau
Chagwa na umwari muni yagiekiriyo go there were some teachers who actually want to psych you up aigwa kwirwe bori ekiriyo rwimbo nigetha mweke atia
bukoro mwage psych
yes ogianyitirwo ni roho wa gukira uinie njohero
Kiu kirathio guthomera nja
waja aume hani akore ugivira njohero
mucukani nake aguceme
wiguite under pressure
na ti ule performaga subject iyo
yes nuaba akorihuo age magithie mitambo-ini
Kerwo thio gaturie maru hau murango-ini
yes let me tell you, these generations will never understand.
They can't.
Hey, nitwaikara uguo tukerora radio
ithuothe
we used to watch radio
na tukagega
ti uguo marahuthira what do you call these things thirikari mahe
tablet
itu yari radio mwaguo
na ndisia tukenagia muno tondu muthenya wa radio ndungiatirire
yes good morning boys and girls, I hope you are all smart and ready for school. Ndio mwana buku are you smart? Yes. Ndio urete furana ta irio
na konyi ni gukura rucini urokire kugwa rwena rugima wina ndoro
kwe sioka mukona mutirarirĩtio naki. The sources of energy, boys and girls, are in several categories. Electricity, iyo mutiarirĩta. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Amujui. Solar energy, liwanire mushirane mwarirĩtaga. Liquid paraffin.
Iyo ni mwamenyaga.
And firewood. Yes. No, we are from the struggle. The government should actually consider giving us a special fund.
Yes. Adu amatuko mau.
Yeni. Turoruo. We are the original hustlers. The indigenous. Njathi wa iria roria turenda ikareha
kari hindi oka
umo uku yes
gikari hau ugu ikaire
hau mari na bakore yaku ri
mundu acoke gite kiria guikarire
tutireketie yakugite ohoro wa bakoro cio tukwaragia hau ongiona muthuri matuko mau matene wina bakora ihite haha muthia-ini no yamenya ucio ni anangire wanake wake atura riko atunganagia nguna bakora
na guthomba mwaki
na guthathaura mabariti marĩrĩmbũ
ke
ayo kunene nakuria na ikuru itagwa tumwe yes matendo ya mitume
Acts of Apostles
ndasoma mambo ya Yutiko reure you see teneri shopping center ni wakora area igwite ri ina karafu yes irafu thiko ici ni ciagemirio na igicenjia mundo toto na irafu it was basically just a room with chairs and tables.
Na by the way irafu itiari nyingi acha irafu itiari nyingi
very few
wakora shopping center kirafu ni kimwe kana igire utmost.
Yes. Tarau niyo nini no wakwa kule yegore. Digwesia ni hale kila kiale karuia. And as we speak now, I think there are several. Yes.
Iravu itiare nyingi to muthi.
Yes. Iravu icio cia tenere. Muundo uria wakoroho, I think it was a universal SI. It was ISO. The architectural design yake iravu. Wege kwa nyumba ici cia kingeti.
Ici cia mundu wa shopping center.
Ici hana ngofia cia mustani. Cia tuafuzo mahewa. Wala kia kitu hau. Mwana mweli ba at the restaurant. Yes. Ewa kuona mwena wa restaurant na mwena wake
wa ba.
Yes. Ewa kora mwena wa ba gutiari ati katini ewa kora ni haigago a structure that looked like a V. Yes. Ya kurigagiria kuona thini direct no no ke tukahure ndota gufathom ni ameko thini
we waigua wo kiario kana gukihu huyukwo
tondu refiete ne mari ahuyuki to radio nacio ira fitiari
inegene riari ria tunua twandu.
Yes. Na mare vane maina rwimbo rumwe makaringithia rumwe
gikwaya
aiwa nake gae maleia wale gona dali dhamia
na koithia ni moekaine.
They were known. And the loudest people were not the best of buyers. His claim to fame yare leo
koithia
chia lead akoithia we ageterio export igire
kana bilisira
kana nyati yale chakula kinywaji. It was actually in a Tetra Pak. HT yaten yakaona mtukotoshi ndio choro literally
yatago kibuku
leo kibuku soga mseki na nyati. Yes. Ndi ijoro nuzo ziare gekiro ekigiathi leo haukira fuke ure
kero kia hasora
na gani okenywa chorojo no na owe mundu tari indo ando he o metha handu meini
ando abada ya kazi leo acio tio makire VIP
na mokine vi bona rwoko ti andu aingi manyuanya mwena gutwika ni ikaraga kuma cuba ona yata go shuru. Yes. Maua nengera makiera-ini no kiera-ini and here beyond go a long way makiera-ini. Yes. Nyamo ni alu araka
na no tena giona matiba.
Yes.
Ate wa kunura mucuba
da kunura nengera jindo rofia
rofia ni kwa matiba
moro wa jindo ni ane rofia rwakwa. Small young people will not understand this. Ukirafike ure ugiatomirwo ne nyukwa tondu it was allowed. Yes. Ndio kwa menya guo ona report ya hura wa muci atumia na ni mai kaneti waki kitu kahau akenda kura report wa mase kale kioraka ona nyuma buroti patikere haria mathiaga ni hao mwande ule niko naona ikarire muno ugatumwo we ugatumagwo ihe.
Yes. Nicio cia tumagwo.
Yes. Na watumwo kirafuri ti othio ingirete kou.
No, you had to use common sense.
You had to use a tactical approach.
Who are you?
You had to first use a very tactical and psychological approach to make your presence noticed. Ti othia warie na mundu ni we tukithia hau oguo ria bere wona do no no or reduce speed. Okay, hold the yamai ake mateke no so thie hani no aria ka vi gathireire ni wona ore wikaite hakuena ke
hakuena ka vi ne.
Yes. Akuonaga no ni aku Mamũĩ everyone knew each other.
Gĩcagi andũ nĩ moyaine othe.
Ũkona mũiki ũrĩa ũkũmũikarĩire erwo kĩra we. Arĩa tia ike ingĩ maingĩra irabu.
No.
Nũgakora bangi meracabicwo nĩ aya. And they were the waiter. Rĩu ũrĩa ũragũra wega rĩ nĩ aheo privilege ya gũikarĩrwo. And there are some families mũthuri aikaĩrwo hau athĩnĩire
hau no ibuku rĩa bengi rĩa thirĩire yana iatigĩire gĩthomo hau
na mũndũ ũyũ ũkĩrĩria ndungata wewe ũkĩra maci aigua thiahera thoguo mũrĩithi
oe
akukia anja ngwĩcia nĩ ũbatara ũciaria naheo wĩ hau nja ona haguũrio mbathia
ndio nawe wĩ hau waiting to deliver the message.
Yes. Makamba magasanitize environment aiki makero macoke in their respective posts. Why damage?
Control.
Mwana akione miatu ya ide. Kira. Kaigera hau. My brother. Ya suria ya kwenda bebe. Alimia wao. Kile ya kuya kulia ati amule hivi. Kile ya tungu awe. Kile ya kali ya family ya nyumo tile mere.
Yana kwa nyina.
Kile yana kwa nyina. Kole ya bombo. Kaiwa yes brother. Yera nuko kwenda ati baba. My brother kwenda ati. Abo mule ale soda mandiamba. Kwa soda ya havurite. Yes. That's what the bad me.
Kwera atia.
Aja nirafatarikana muciĩ.
Kwena ki?
Tata Jennifer nĩ okire. Na ndero ngwĩre ndararara.
Ĩyo nĩ kuonania agency.
Nĩ ũma nĩbatarĩria kwaria nawe. Ndero nĩ mamu njũke ngwĩre ũguo. Jaga. Kaigua andũ mauga atĩrĩrĩ. Karĩ ũrĩa wa accountant. Na nĩkĩ we mũrĩithi ndũnatuĩra wĩnake rĩ. Kiria imenua na inyuĩ. Mũkũnjarĩria ũguo mbere ya kĩhĩ gĩakwa. Shandafu. Thoguo nake tondũ nĩ arenda rĩu ndũmĩrĩrie kinye mũciĩ. Tatawe ndakonekane ta mũciĩ ũcio ũrekereirio rĩ.
Mwarĩ wa nyina ndakona nĩ arekereirie ciana.
Yes. Na nĩ tume hau nja. Mũciĩ ũcio gwĩ cukari.
Ndĩreka kũnyua cukari rĩrĩa mamu arekeria
na kwĩra ũtarĩria nĩ kũrĩ tarĩria ndũ nĩ kũrĩ cukari kana gũcirĩ
gũtirĩ
ũhĩtũkĩre harĩa ngũgĩ neo kiro na mũgate tataguo moka na ciana ciake
wiki
mũgate ũmwe
na macani
mamakĩria mang'ori nĩakoragwo ũcoke wĩkĩre hau mũkaũhũrĩrwo itumbĩ ũrure iromo nĩona nĩ ngaragacu ahota gũcokio riboti mũciĩ kwĩna malnutrition
no kamenya ti kawaida gathoguo kũgũra.
He's just putting up a show. Ĩyo rĩu nĩ ũrĩa mũhataga mũnene agĩũka
ukaigua ona tata gũka no wega tĩ nĩ mũthenya wauga njingĩre mũkawa hũrĩrwo matumbĩ
na nĩwe mũgate ndwapakagwo nĩ ũikie njegeke itũra rĩothe rĩmenye
nĩ wainũkia mũgate
mũrĩithi nĩ atũmana kĩ
mũgate.
Yes.
Ũyũ gakĩinũkaga
thoguo nake agacoka ũgacoka rĩu gĩikaro iracoka riu sondo munago bora ore kiuma hau kape ciana ici ciaku nacio nĩ tũgiaga mũno ithuĩ nĩ ciana tũtarĩ ũkagua nake nĩ tagũikarĩire nĩ aturagwo wĩna mũgago nawe mũrĩithi
kũu nĩ gũcochwo athiĩ akarute mbara
gũcochwo akarorie matau atũmerĩrwo mwana but there was always that one boy that had that constitutional
mandate
ya kugira itheke
kirabu
yes so it was acceptable na ngionio cio nĩ amenya hena kaũndũ
harĩ ũndũ kaũndũ kaumĩra
aua ndigithia ngoma wewe ũranjĩra ndũ kibe na ũragĩrĩtwo nĩ mũkagu haha shanda kanua joine na mbiro yao ndikũrĩha No, they had the power. You see, Mary Mary. And the cat in Wajin.
Mariboko.
Was if you are here, I care. Me, I have Gamma and you guacamole. My Mariboko. Nigeria Kariki. And they always were chewing something. Leo makere ya biro muati. Siroka ke ore ya Miriam. Ayo kaklia. Nyoka higi mama maita.
Agichiwa ngaboro gamu.
Cia mwana soda yako ari.
Soda.
No, they had to inflate. They would tip themselves.
Neo soda yake.
Neo soda.
Like
thick as none. Tondu kwedu matakorona any form of media. Murere wa wothe matie bakona any form of electronic media. Let me put electronic media. Yes. Adu matare radio matiare TV matiare ke matire magia makura.
Yes.
Yes.
Kanona magia omaji gwithukumira.
Yes. Na adu aciori ogera mesi ya muthemba uyu uciori. They still have their get together the intact. Yes. So they used to entertain
themselves.
They would nemanyi hagia Hawaii. They would find their own creativity. Yes. And once you give a Romothi would get together intact. Because the bond is from way back.
From way back.
Yes. No mind media. Ekwa jayothe. See tele family okay akodi mena. The ultimate thing to say family ne dogudere mena radio ya cassette. Yes. Mena TV. Na video. Video.
No, those were lords.
Adu mekira mukwa. No kwaja video, it was mesmerizing and wowing the VCR. No ya cassette radio wekira no kahiga
murago.
Ya video wekira ri ene kuori ni makura tiga utinde ka. You see where I had the Rocosia Cusiaro.
I don't know what can I do, ma.
Yeah, who am I?
Naguasi.
Namoki Moani and Niwa to Oli.
Nago Jagutu.
No, I should have walked you. More than well when the physical. Wakawahi de get oh no. Wakinya hauri.
Ilekia.
Okay, rolera in ao. Mukwasio oke merio.
Ni masini.
Kamurago akehiga. No kaigwale. Kwaja. Mechanism ya kamurago kwehiga was wowing. Ni higa. Niwe akibudu Kero kyoje. Ingese kayume atia.
Kaundu kau ni kamakagia mundu.
Yes.
You could not imagine.
Yes. You see, when wabo ase mwena mukwa. Utari na profession ya gusokio thutha na bayo.
You see, adora mari na those facilities.
Yes.
For one no ginya eko ne mari na thitima.
Yes.
Icio itiaruta wira na betiri.
Icio ti cia betiri ati ya gucanjirwo haria hakirago. Tigirwo na mbaru.
Apana.
Ti akoigwo muharati.
Icio ni cia thitima.
Yes. They are people who were in near urban center. Yes. No giakorio nawe. Gicagi kana mucie kwanyu. We wanathie mucie ucio. Na tondu hakiri ciaku ni sharp ukinyita operation ya equipment iyo ni wetegeria ihe cianyu kona ire cianyu kwa guoya Ngai ni kiwi
ikira mukwa
Ngai
munyi gutwara mbere
Ngai yatwara mbere Ngai hondo visiari ya gamba nigi forward kana kiriva kiriwind aiwa So kajiru ati wakora kindu kingicokio thutha na nikwirora murera niwe wamba kuneo mukwa mwenye ni movie hari wambe uirorere urigwo bica cieha
wambe okenio ni bica cover
yes
cover ya mukwa yambe gukenio
kwaja cover
ucoke ukore kwa njari wathi gucera gwa tataguo cibangitwo guo yani ciana cia tataguo no irakwerethera mukwa uri uhana kariguo muonire ri
yes wora yenyo kwa ari ehera ri hau mukwa ohiki weherio inyu muone cia kara
Elio mohiki hau
ohiki na
makeki hau na meario
aiguo maririe yoko hendo gwa ucio nendie
urori agiu kiroguo ucio konywo
mwene nake ri utata gucio mwathi gucerera ri to riu ni makimwira video ri your rule of folk have never seen themselves except on the mirror Gai aya ginya wa Nyambura tacokio guo aracokia atakia aya henya ni twikura ni igua cia akire ni uyu na nwe ka dress ka unoga tuire ina ile wa thuku
na maburi ndaigaga thi
Reu mukwa ne KBC kirasa Todo mwe haya moire nginya irio ikeihuru mahudura ake ni muri iria kiuga ongereru ndo mwagawe ona tikuhuta ni gukoroka ndona irio ihana pick up ya nyeki tacokia hau wakanyambu ine irio haya nginya guka na tuego thaciga na ndiona furasi there's nothing as powerful as a mentality. Wewe bijane pacha. Go do dress your video no emu
no keona miaka mingi thutha-ini
na ngiona mundu ucio ahituka hau ngeciare kanyamu karia gathimaga bara ngirigo gaturenjerwo ki
bara
ona gake tugiuke
ino ni mbikabu ya waburaji haya indi ari njereru riu ni amirekereirie
atiriri ici niwe ndirera Ugiti mwiritu ria wombitwo ni wa Karanja. Kari ku. Onareke mbica ici kioya ku. Ni ukono ria gucunguca marinda. Na gutie muthenya wa tuona akoma utukwa gitanuka bigiji. Inye muroria na what is all this hula baloo?
Utire twikire kara.
Ukigora mukojo ni wathira. Ni wagenia muno wa Kanyambu ndu atukenia. Ona mutikenete. Akende mwikira mathiko. Turi onari. Na hindi onyo kwa ni kumwete mikana mundu thuguma oriri arainu kuona ke muthenya ucio.
Noketigo kwa ni thugumi oriri.
Na wewe irrigation ya Garana Kuraru.
Ahero.
Wewe Mwea irrigation scheme. You are not in the list of borders.
Wewe ndi.
Wewe ni ugoshokia thonisia.
Akawa itugu atigirira akiuha mwikiriro indo mwiyone.
Asika weke ru wa Kara. Ndu mutumia aku arike ru ni atigagira ru the children. Achatu weke ya Rambo. Ama ya John Claude Van Damme. Yes. Ama tuwekele ya Bolo Young. Ama Bruce Lee. Ori ni Kara kajia. Wesia ni mukuhoria tuhoe. Horrible.
Ori gasika.
Cia rugendo ritu ni rwakura. Akanyambu. Niguthoma ciugo ciganona. Ake wa Teresia. Atige kirathimo mucio. What a waste. Ona mohiki hau andu makiria micere.
Mama Viko.
Na nyomo kwenda abara. Ya Rambo na Bruce Lee. No, people were mesmerized to see themselves.
Muno.
Ukiona ati ni weori. Ni nioria. Ma.
Urana Kenyau.
Kadaha ni ru ati gitamba ya kiu.
No ni kwarokete kura rugongo.
Atiriri. Uria ni wacera wekirite dress na riboko. Oh, it was wowing. We on. You Favanyu Edward are excited. But he's very excited. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you are just sort of coming to no, yeah. Kawaburu. Yeah. Na higara yake. Ai na mukori uko akora ihu wona roya nginya gwa soso. Aya. Nginya gwa soso America. Akere kuo Korea.
No wana mugwaru na hindi wale gwa kanju. Leo kuona ale na thuti.
Ndio ni ale na nyama. Analia pesa.
Like
Good evening, John Miano. It's about time. Yeah, tax returns na ndio kiruta wira ucio.
Ne matwe machi na ni koragwo ri June.
Ko June.
Kaba go fairo tene.
And of course, John Miano is CPA. Of course, lead practitioner, format accounting and business consulting. Na no mwigi wa mathabu wa JKE.
Mutari wa mathabu ma kiama.
Wega vio. Yani
na koro thirikari giokara ini jaga itunu mucio nwe tungine na ari wasiri wa mbia
tutonge. Yes.
Emuragio kirehe mundu.
Bring someone who is qualified. Yes.
Nikuneana meano
oikanga. Yes.
Na kia ikarera hau tumenya maundu maitu ni magira.
Yes. Ndwiki ya nagiria ke.
Ya nagiria kayo.
Yes. No, you're too fisadi. I can go on the back of the mind. Yes. Negwa.
Tio fisadi.
Perhaps you're fisadi. As long as we get the job done. Tochigekira mogo itarami. Tore tu aria makimeitaga.
Ona demu itari na dingi tulema.
Tu kweja. Eni. Ona nene.
Ona mita cia thitima tutingirigwo kuria ingiuma.
Hapana. Akira kwaruka acha ina turenya moja.
Bora you do the job.
Fatale tueruo tene.
Ya tiga na idin leo ngitulema.
Yes. Na fatale tueruo ningeto tikoigirwo bia. Tondu kaundu kau na kwa.
Nikio havatara gukoro kuria wi mundu uramenya.
Yes.
Munene kaundu gakwaga kwamite.
Haturira we munene. Na wira ntwakirikie na mukiuhito.
Na mukiuhitukia.
Yes.
Kaundu bothe makihituka.
Yes.
Ndindikira hau munene ndikaire wega.
Gwishia kabisa muonie His Excellency the President mahuritwo na jesi yake gatene. Na jesi yake umuthi uni maikarite na mwa.
No memo agoine.
Yes.
Memo agoine wodo.
Eni. Yes. How are you Kenyambi? Nakusalimia sana.
Kenyambi 1960.
Mena Kim Daktari. Akaza the wife Mama Shiko Anjeri. Matike kule Thika Group Chania. Ngondo hali makadami. Nenda kwele kwagiria na mikondo.
Ni urajira ni kwagiria na mikondo there.
Yes.
Wima sana.
Mambo iko feri. Yes. Alex Mbogwa is also his birthday today. Happy birthday Alex Wauba.
Happy birthday.
Oh yes.
Moda waka yore kona rauga atiriri. Niwe gogwe mwaragia nene akia mai. No ndinaigu handu mwagweta akia magira udi. Thirikari ni tungiteithikira ha.
Gukire kindu gito triple effect. Demu ni koragwo na riri. What do you call this thing?
Which one?
Spillway. Yes.
Aihura.
Aihura ni hinguragwo. No mbabe munyita ati ni aiho.
Ni aiho.
Karau masinga ni mareke.
Ni mare Spillway.
Yes.
Ona karimeno hindi no kuraurete ri.
Yes.
No na Spillway ni rarutire wira for the first time.
Rai go you Spillway. Ya kuo.
Ya kuonoria my excess.
Guthatha. Leo Spillway no ri. Mwita members a JKA. Fata no kumenya ni hareke.
Spillway.
Na mundu aika eteire kianda. That is a mother. You guys have become politicians even before becoming politicians.
Kweli no tukire mwe supply mita cia thitima.
Bana.
Mutigera mo.
Mutige no. Ikatiheo wero cio.
Mita. Mugora mita kure.
Na kire mundu mwe mukindire kumwihoke kutaga tonye tukuhe wira ucio. Ithio turehia.
Na tukona mundu uretindikaga payment citu.
Yes, insider. Reure. Vimo. You know.
Ona pay bill ya isetu zani tutigere mune commandage.
Tiana. Ni wathi muno aruga muno muthuri.
No kugweta ile.
Tripo.
No ese jeto de na begi.
Ai. Tiano rocio.
Edatiga.
Uno auti ara waru hatu tu.
Edabata muno.
How no I have githuri wari ake.
Keini. Edagetiga.
Tigano rocio pio.
Sorry kanua.
Hey. Ona ku express interest now do tocio. You are putting us in jeopardy.
Ne oragio ne kiungika. Dai tiga.
Nige moro. Ero gyorio kodo. Ndize kwa kwira muci urio heondo ni ati ogika okuge no guthambagirie mukangu.
No athuki.
No, this similar. Odo yo de similar. The anecdote is appropriate. The imagery, the one is raggy. Little utos.
Johnny, they get to them a command.
To hate what is Korea Qua for the Korea die. Go weights and measures. Yes.
Okay, tokiona kuo.
Ingiaga tokiona la tirine.
Waiga mala tirine.
Kuma kari bareti.
Mama totogia.
Othie kino thirikari etangigotogia.
Ona kwajua.
Thirikari ekuogekeire hanini uguo na kwajua. Fatali mogokero hanini.
Bora wi handu.
Yes. Aigo kwendo thirikari ehura ere ha kuhura hiri.
Aiko vira mote.
Thirikari can be for anything. How do you think you talk? You don't remember there was a time under the mayoral whatever it was called what?
Hede ya wathani wa Methufari.
The city. The city of Nairobi. There's a time my na budget yeta hana. Ya vi modika vule oka kuhoera mayor. Agua tu. Thirikari basi thirikari ndogeni. Na to mwako ocie.
Urabatara gwika undu.
You make money with the government. Yes.
Tondu ko yari wa uru ni mugopitana na watho.
Ya tibega na no ya riu. Ithe leverage tutukoragwo we benchmark on Singapore.
Ina neturakiugire ira riu maundu mana turabatara gwika. Nigetha tume third world.
Yes. Ni kwamba kunina ufsadi. Ni tuyo turute wira mutheru.
Wira uroneka u ni wira. Urute wira urihie.
Yes. Ona mugeturia kundu tungiruta tia gas tutingiaga. Matale muge murenda ya gikiro gia kuriria andu nginyaha
ikinyitio ruruha.
Yes.
Watora joye ko na percentage.
Yes. Tora tia gas ni na hegi ya githimo makiuga ni ndubi.
Be ahuthio ruru.
Ma complain ate bese tia gas ni irare iru. Kari.
Kona mundu ito thirikari ndiri.
Oyu tura thimu. Alaya.
Oi.
Tia gas ikinyete ku.
Murigo wiruwi.
Ne iria nduru.
Ne cia ugitagate-ini ti nduru muno.
Uracio ire ku.
Ndiroite racia.
Shodo ko nina handu we.
Kamugwa dacia Bulgaria.
Ngiroia nyamu ko tugura Toyota. Ciaracia andu acio ni omu. Kari ungiokerwo hanini. Hanini. Wakura. Yale ki irwagirwo ithemba kiu. Serikali.
Goma era ta fataraitha ndungigitia
basa ya sigana olocha. Ya no olocha. Pio.
Thakira levo.
Sigana ira wa nderaru. Iro tage. Cha. No. Ngaria kuga ninge ni wenda riu oingirio haria ha shifu. Eto shifu.
DHIF. Kou ne gwitia muno.
Kou ne kuruga muno. No ikara gore kabakuri ogi.
You know.
No, we have people we know around.
Taru thikari ragio ni macini ya gucaba passport.
Yes.
Eo tutigeri go kule ngiuma.
Akire gutengera Dubai. Na kwaje aje gucabira passport icio iria ineri ukaga.
Aje were ta commission ndo.
Yes. Nyamuyo ka backlog yothe ni cleared. Era shukithio hamwe na passport ciandu. Ogwa na nyaga boss.
Katari ndo baikareire bakaima andu mieke.
Yes.
Matiheana mieke mona wero kirutwo.
Mere muharate ini.
Ke bashidi ya vazi botire kindu gya kugia bururi.
Tutumei nyamu.
Mutitwaririe. Tuhange nyamu.
Uratuika ati ni werwo wethe. Ungiona andu milioni ta igire mayo ukwira nyamu ndi nayo. The past is full of the past. Yes. You will never tell the whole past.
You can't.
There are so many details in the past.
There's a lot in the past.
Yes. But it's usually very close here. Kulirika na kulia muda umuta. Nigetha ndugate mwerekera wa kulia wekete atia.
Werekeire.
Walekaida. Ule. Niko ishire. Of course technology nayo ni ikoro differentiate muno maunda maya turi na maria mahetu. Niko ishibishari. It's not an overrated thing. Anyone can take a picture anytime.
Anywhere you want.
Yeah.
He could restricted.
Restricted, of course. There are no photography zones like State House. Na mbara kisi yake.
Siaje, si.
Siabutu. Yes.
Na installation isi yage thirikari.
Negwa. Thiko isire. Modu na just a smartphone. You'll be able to even go live from wherever you are. You can go live from the arid areas of Turkana. Ginya highlands ya Nandi Hills. Yes. Yeah. Where the bisa siali cherished and overrated.
Bisa.
Dwe bisa siali hard copy. Utiare kiruta soft copy.
Abana.
Yes. It was the film technology. Fuji film. Yes. Kodak. Kwani Kodak na Fuji. Yekane kwani githia wa samala.
Icio nicio ciari most
locally.
Na muno rugoko nicio cio ikaine.
Yes. Na ka container kale gokaga na mukuo cio ri. Ni gacokaga kahuthika. Ta irengeri kana inya ciake ciambake muthonire no ko anonaga container kau no ndoe kaumaga ku
no gakoro ke film yarikia wira
ayure gakoro ke packaging ya film ika dark room we film ya corona dark room procedures. It was black action na kureko kagire. Yes. Leu kau karikia wira ri mundu wa bisari arutithia mukwari cia toro dark room cia
thambio.
It's called developing. Cia develop uri guthambio ko nio yake gukanengera mutumia mukuru uri ukunya ke ruara tiga riu ari atene makona na inya icu meiro irengeriria cia tene tiga icio riu gaka gacucu wa ndirangu
thutha
cucu wa ndirangu wa muiga uria uga atiriri cucu ni sare no ranyua baki nyona nyuagiro ku kanisa aria maume haria moke majurie aruga ona agifatirio aina merera ri agetwo Miriam ri aina meria kimekuja Theo Gilma, Bitali. You see, there were photo albums. People don't have them a lot nowadays, except through what do I money the transitional years. They will do a story album,
of course.
And I think we are probably the last generation.
Album Yabisha.
Album Yabisha. What you do album is Yarigana. Family and you record the with the moon or Makona can be same with all page. Eki haha.
Gese keri.
Yes.
Eto na watu anana usito wa kimfuko.
No usito wa kimfuko ni. Woka kera lili. Aniki wako rafa mrimwe karo bamu kaoneka ukanini. Ona mare kiraki. Nado kia peji komi.
Elo korona kanini. Na bado mutira ihoria.
Mutira ihoria. Leo tigera ya 3x3. Nwe kuwa hubroya mwana one idatu mwana one ke.
Idatu. No.
Na kwa itoga warutagiro ta ithano ukero eno ri ni coverage yo hiki.
Bwacera muciiri.
Yes.
Tondu hirio gutirakiri na Netflix.
Yes.
Netflix ile wathecagwo riu wakinya table room.
Yes.
Ni album.
Eu ndio nio yarekire ya hard disk. Ukamoka igwerwo Good Doctor season 1. Mwaje ruwe family kwa siefagite. Wakora mena album yari. It's like a library. It is itemized.
Itemized.
No. Ishindisi ya mesiana. Yes. Ukolo unake makaide.
Nalio kuona jengaga ire makai ari mwana.
Nenda hola le itangine.
And you see,
yes.
Album go sherete muciiri.
Yes.
You could create content ya mathaa mana kana matano mukiaragia.
Todundu no mwaka otwekere narrator.
Yes.
Ohanaru modo ya wetako Sir Attenborough. Ito Sir Attenborough. Wana in the highlands of Kazakhstan lies a creature that has evolved over 2 million years ago.
Number family dedicate go gutwara through.
Yes.
Explaining.
Akwere no ramenya haha.
Haha. Ni damenya ni wacaira. Ni ndingego mumenya. Na ni atherete haha.
Tiriria kiandikitwo atanaia kwa Smith Kirai.
Oyo no ahana fuana.
Ona ndigo kirigetwo kongekerigo ni muru wa nyukwa. It was an animated conversation. And you know it is an imagination thing. Na hori. Ile ndo kuririkana. Na modhori ne makuaga. Icon ni wakuire. Twari kirizo kuguranira muraguri. Yekano raririkana. Wendo ari bisaini no toru ni mwanyu wa hindi yo. Mugithie na wa menja buroti ku. Gwandu ne macokire magitigana. Oka guku ngamba kweheria mbica no ndimukenagia. No, the rise of Kina Muthoni and their age mates should know this. It was like
no bisha.
Neta kuroera documentary yana ko yothe.
Na shai woka mukaba mugapose.
Na were weke loko. Oni hani hia maniuro hau. Atana one bishana mugeni.
Toka hapa.
Kwenda wewe.
Niuro wewe.
Wagire hadafu. Mnataka kuonia geni afya. Emio. Toka ije. Sala ni mwana marakaragia mundu. Haha ri. Yendo rake kana Bishop Muge hende ryokite guku. Higari yako ine tukigirira kanitha. Nebe yoyo. Eno nayo ri. Dimenyaga wega nukwirwo njira guoi. No ne ndechiragia ne sisaga timo muthikavu.
na nĩ wega ngwĩre bari ciĩno itũ yothe gũtirĩ mũndũ ũngĩ ũrĩ mbica ĩno
nĩ ĩkorwo kũndũ gũkũ ĩno ĩkuo na kwa bamĩrĩ rĩu ya mũthikabu ũcio it's an exclusive
ĩno nĩ ndathire nayo ndũrĩ handũ hangĩ ũngĩmĩona
but it is also good to know ti andũ othe marutagĩrwo albamu tondũ wa cera
hapana no that's a family resource
ona nĩ warora guo woka atĩa tiume na mũgũnda hau aya ndutĩrai mbica
yona nĩ hoga tĩ harĩa nja
ũmenye kũruta mbica icio nĩ gũcokwo library tondũ cia baka
na nĩ waigua wĩna a dedicated tutor
to
take you through
a narrator and the librarian nĩ mbica icio tena nĩ ciakorwo na date
ikarĩ kũ mũthenya mũna
Rũgene Photo Studios
gĩbatithio gĩa Sege
inoi yoge kũu kwanja atĩ kĩng'aragu ndũrĩ kĩndũ wakuĩra andũ no kĩrĩa waũrwo nĩkĩo kĩuga kana nĩ ũkwamba kũheo ũhoro wĩgiĩ the internal details
you see kũnengerwo album ya family no tarĩrio rĩ that is giving too much literature ya family ĩyo
kau nĩ kagutwe ka mũciĩ waku
ũramenya nginya athoni yao
na nginya their dark past
when they were struggling
no ũrĩona mbica ũyũ nake nũ ĩyo cigana ona niĩ na nyina warĩ ngamenye ndĩmwĩraga nĩ andũ tũrarutaga wĩra nao
njiguaga nĩ warĩ mũhiki wa Narok akĩanĩrĩra we
nawe nĩ wanagĩrĩra mũno rĩu ũyũ ũrona rĩ tiga rĩu ũyũ tiga ũyũ ona ũyũ nĩ ngwĩraga nĩ ndĩ mwana wa Zimbabwe they have their scandals there ũcoke ũheo na woko rũgamĩte
no you don't qualify
mbica wahingũra kaigua ciana cia ihĩĩ cia mũthuri ũcio ciaria baba ũyũ nũ twara mũcere na kũu
eria maniũrũ hau
ũngĩconoka no mekinuanuo kĩũru mũno mũgeni akauga tondũ nũ ingĩti njoki agwa kahũa kobi mbũri wariganĩrwo narĩ nawe maũndũ maya nĩ ũrakũra wakindĩ rĩu gũkũ yũĩkaine ũyũ warĩ secretary wa Paris
so but therein lies a scandal
they had memories of the memoirs of their scandal and happy heydays that is the only way you could actually know your age trajectory ũrĩa ũkĩte nĩ kwarĩ special rĩu ageni arĩa special macurũragĩrio furemu
iria cia gũcurio rũthingo-inĩ
furemu ũcurũrĩirio
furemu
ũkĩrwo nĩ ngwana nuona ĩno tahura mbica ĩno we tahura ĩno mbica icio cia furemu ciothe ciakona
rũkũngũ na rũrenda rwa mbũmbũĩ
kwa he mbũmbũĩ ho yakaga tarĩ bandage they would not call that a web tondũ yahana tarĩ bandage view nayo thutha ndũ aciona ĩno twahũrĩtwa twĩ civil service ĩna mũthuri ti Kĩbuna
nona gũkũ nĩ Kenya School of Government
gũkũ kwa Kenya School of Government twathoma gũkũ na Brigadier Okumu wamona ũyũ nake mũtikirigĩirwo mũno nĩwe raici-rĩ ũtikĩera-inĩ ũyũ rĩ nĩ Matere wa Kĩreri iria nĩũramona
na matiari akuru haha
bana twakiri andu anini ona kaimenya mangirire ku oyo uri ndulai matara kwirwa uni mone murwanjindo
ocho ningo mumenya
wakiri wanjindo ona keri ndulake muona oyo wali keheka wake bani no ochuro redio frame
yokwero keretherwo
no gatarerio kahora no
and you ask questions
that was like being ndikutisa kwa access ya thefu kuonio business ya family
no kamenya muno
yes
ngona nona ino le ara tiere ale amuthe
he muthuru mu ase nyanji yona tuyanga ne tunja umanja ane sawa ali komero yale tiende dake mahonia aya oye tigaidu make mumu aya tatiga ya kwende wewe ya inanandu oye tiala magogo
gwira tiga ne vale ne hala bururi wa gukira hende ya nyayo ri
ndio
twathiete wega muno
oyo nenda hezia kale hali thuku eti sipatia ukochi wa kaifu
ne uketa na uzito tio twaruterwo bica hau na
hapana tio ke kuna farm produce yate azio kile na yiwasio heto na mgoto ya ba uende vile ulikuja
wende ne watana kombe kia duvia
kia duvia no ko nyuraja
na mwali ri maudoroko
very local
tane kokurauga gombu
na murania maodo very ne kana kwanyu kwebura na ni arona kwanyu let me tell you that photo viewing session was anime
very anime
yes
na hau ni andu maruta gohoro
yes ndio ona he andu ma observe ka undu magakira gathie kwa analyze wole ni wonire mbica icio we ndi kwira wa macaria ni ari muiru na ndona wahinyira live ndame icio no turika atia
icio no turi aria baadaye
mundu ti ungi ndi gutie courage ni mako nayo no alo aro ni profile
na riu ni amwe maceraga mundu akona mbica imwe ikamu interest muno maybe ni mundu wa family
yes
aka insist mumuhe mbica yo
yes
no cio riu ningi bako wicironge
yes and some moribund ones ni amuyama iyo akamekonya
yes na gaikia modo
na mukarehe na muno ria mukamikora kuwao you will reclaim it. It's a cherished moment
ene kule andu maiyaga mbica
wega biu
magakunga nacio
yes
mugaikarania muranie hindi imwe mbica ngania yathire ku mundu wirega kuona mbica guku ni mwaniki
aiyo ndi na mama we
yeni
uri amwandikiririe
na ngiona ni aritire na mbica ine yo muno
yo no thiro kono ku
kou
gazeti yes isi gazeti thiko iciri ya even digital and we are gatonyo wa bugu muthi rashitho makuma mutandao-ini he does a very comprehensive newspaper analysis
na gatonyo ni abatia ri heo keheo special githondeko gya uthomi wa gazeti
yes gutire mundu ungi uthoma gazeti githemba kiu
no one
the analysis newspaper analysis ya gatonyo ri should be gazetted as a protected as a national what do you call it oria museum sikoragwo what have you national heritage yes tondu gatonye ni athoma gatheti ukaigua to ukicigurite ciothe wega ta wega
kehinyio
yes riu gatheti ri during the ages of enlightenment in ancient Mount Kenya
Like a history class.
Itiathomagwo muno. Pia ciarĩ ici cikwaria gĩthũngũ. Brenda nĩ tondũ ciaumaga mbia. Na ciandĩkagwo na gĩthũngũ. See, gĩcagi gwĩ icagi kwagaga mũndũ piũ ũthomaga ngathĩti. Piũ gũtirĩ.
Piũ.
Yes.
Na warĩa mathomaga ngathĩti rĩ.
Yes.
Ni watu walikuwa wanajinauo.
Wanajinauo, and you would not win an argument with them.
No.
Mũndũ angĩakuotire ngathĩti amũkunĩka inyuo. Oro ũcio ararĩ ngathĩti-inĩ ya gatatũ.
Gakiumia gĩthiru.
Rĩu nawe wahũragwo nĩ UFL jezi cia theci bakwe. Iria ndĩraigua rĩu ũrarĩ ngathĩti-inĩ nawe hũra ũkaragia rũĩ.
Ũhoro ũrarĩ ngathĩti-inĩ.
Yes.
No nariganĩtie na gĩtangatho.
Yes.
Gĩatho thaitĩ.
Gĩatho thaitĩ ĩno ya gũkũ iria cikĩtwo tũrathiĩ mũcemanio rũciũ. Nĩkĩ mũtithoma ngathĩti.
Rĩu mũtheci-rĩ, you have been defeated.
You see, you cannot argue about that kind of literature because on a dogiota. Hiyo haina comeback.
Wewe umezimwa. Nyota yako imezimwa.
Mwanangu hauna nyota.
Niko huota kagwatĩra.
This is just cia theci. Na andũ arĩa nao matacemanirie na buku rĩ. Ngathĩti mambaga kũrora mbica. Na mamenya o Moi.
Na Saitoti.
Rĩrĩ makĩmũtawa wa Gacũgũma. Makajia rĩu kũrehe rumors. Rĩnjiguaga mũndũ ndaingĩraga rĩthathi. Ona ũngĩmũratha.
Wild imagination.
Iyo no ndarizo rĩu nĩ itunda. Kahimbo aka gake nĩ hatuona nako twĩha. Makaguũria. Ona kwĩ mũthenya gwitũ gĩcagi. Ngathĩti ĩhũrĩtwo mbica ya ngari rĩ. Aina magerio akauga hoi nĩ matigarire. No, the levels were illiteracy were high.
Na ona rĩa matathomaga no nĩ magĩtuagĩte buku rĩ.
Yes.
Rĩu thoguo nĩ atuaga rĩmwe mũthenya ũmwe ũkaigua nĩ akumagara. Nĩ agũthiĩ na itherero. Nĩ akuma mĩhĩrĩgo ya sub county.
Yes.
Nĩ athiaga akaroria akagũra ngathĩti.
The standard.
Yes. Kana nĩceni. Nĩgetha agĩcoka rĩ.
Yes.
Akona ngathĩti.
Oneka nĩ mũndũ exposed na mũndũ uma kũndũ kwĩna enlightenment.
Na ti mũndũ anangire bithi ya aciari ake.
Yes. Na ngathĩti ĩyo nĩ amĩthoma mweri. Ndekũgũra ĩngĩ ithenia.
Actually athomaga na agacokerithia. Kwanja angĩakũrio nĩ ekĩraga mawanu. Marĩa mahana cuba ya iria. Na nĩgetha mũtikamũtange hwainĩ.
Yes.
Nĩ aumaga na gatĩ hau nja. Agekĩra mawani.
Yes.
Agekunĩka na ngathĩti.
Yes. No ngĩendire kũmenya mũndũ ũracitara gũthoma ngathĩti. Athomanĩrĩire. Ekano regime now wants Kamotho ouster as pundits won on YK92. The protagonist side Cyrus Tirogo, William Ruto of YK92. Kama nyoji Israeli
ni kujiforce
ana struggle. Kwaja kweo home ndagire ugoya. You see, we wathia ngathĩti nĩ ona mbica. Iyo kodra haro naki. Ugathi hariu katuni karuru
Juha karuru
Ole karuru na kagui gake Taska na mke wake Sera
mukare kariria na gatheti hau
ya githungu wa mbica cia mbere ithatu waruga kwa bici wari wonekana he mundu uyu Wasa kugathi page ya mwisho tondu ina kagi Movia driver tarahuye
Wana bica yo kaiganira
Yes
no gaithoma headlines
Yes But there were some people who would sell fear Andu meho mathie kona ginya athoma program liner
ya ma TV
You see program liner puame ona okariguo ndi ya praya gaku I don't know whether they still have that segment in the newspaper.
No, it's still there even today.
But you see that it was just one station.
Yes. No more there yoku gatheti inde cia riu.
Ya koro KBC ikajia kufungua kituo.
Sina shara.
Wimbo wa taifa. Yaliyomo. Dunia wiki hii. Doshivel. Soko kona. Saa 1:30 FTB. FTB is still there on KBC. Channel 1. Opandio hiyo. Wrestling. Ukadi kwa mjai.
Wewe kwanyu na thitima ri.
That's your wildest. Ni wale wa mwera wa program ina pwino ri. Ni mundu magalite gwa tataguo. Akamweta makisithiaga o ciandikitwo.
Maniguo ciukaga.
Magaita maki. Niona ino body and beautiful. Yaji mwera wa muthitoro. No, there were some people who looked like ancient day explorer. Maiguragia musieto crossword.
No, asio mari imoda. Crossword.
Kwaja none hali simple crossword na complex crossword. Oisoko we kasoduku. Kasoduku ne twagaranga.
Crossword.
Complex.
We. Ona thomithio the maihuragia.
Hapana. Na ni ara bagathoma horoscopes. Ati akamenya we ni Taurus. Ni Capricorn. Sagittarius. Yes. Ama nyota yake.
La soma nyota.
Huko natimia ihuria the complex crossword. Iyo ihuragio muno ni andu aria riri ni mathomire lakini nyota ya kazi ikakosekana akarudi wapi
akarudi Lugongo
Machabani ndio ni ndagiria andu guoya
ina crossword ikaraga thi kwanja na karamu ukona
ni waheagwo clues mwena uyu na riu the crossword itself ukona
ena ginya karatathi karafwa
yes clue kadi ndio wahetia haria ndungifuti
clue na karafu wake ha kado
Adiketo the longest lady. The longest lady. Okona tini hata kumenya ati clue yo ni Mississippi. How?
Wamenya ile ku. Na hedio utiare internet.
Na Mississippi tiroero irate.
Na timathia maga tu acioma.
Na tigura kana honi. Tizaga na moga. The Mississippi. of ancient heritage. Ukona adekarafu akau. Sphinx, pyramids, ruins. Ukona ritu Sphinx nere igiro. Wow!
Wamenyire kuma undu ta mau.
Mundu enyaga tuguri.
Na matienda kugio makiandika nyamu yo.
Yes.
Ona ni akwira ta thio ikare o hau.
Kwaja nionaga we mundu very stupid. ati ndũngĩihũria onaki. You are totally clueless.
Blank. Ndũrikindura thitho naki.
Ukunati clue ni 3 million miles away. Kona andika Cape Canaveral. No, Cape Canaveral is a space center. Ekuria uthiairwo kwa mweri na mweri ni 3 million miles away. Kadigwa.
Ikaraga na.
Ndio aronu mauga ati. Leki atona wira ni agorokirio ni getho. Akiguruki. Maundu mau na amenyoreka atia na. Tio kuihuria nyamu icio.
Iyo ni jesi ya theci. Riu ni maundu beyond their imagination.
Na nä andå acio maihåria crossword ĩyo nĩ matinagĩrĩria hau makamĩaka. Yes.
Muno.
Ũngĩakirie njiko na crossword yake ihũrĩtie. Let me tell you.
Ũtheci we no ĩroreire mbica.
Nĩ ũrore mbica. Coke ũthiĩ haha visually. Ucoke ũthiĩ kwa sport. Tondũ nĩ ũkuona rĩu Kipchoge. Ũrĩa wa tene tiga rĩu ũyũ. Ũrĩa wa tene ũrĩa.
Ũcio Kipchoge.
Yes. Na bara Masai. Na rĩu Henry Motego. Bagĩthaka mũbira na Kadenge. That is self-explanatory. Not you though.
Ite kuruhusu wa.
Uona kigo Liverpool na Arsenal. Tendro ngoro ndo mamenya nginya English Premier League. There were ages, the dark ages.
Era geta na foto tu.
Ona mothe weka tu nikioetwa handicap. Tutire tuanyita joke. You know, it's a syndicated cartoon. Tiga goko. Eka geretha. Tutigenyita onaki. Tumuona mucuba. Twanyita bogi beda na karuru na kasibure. Wai ndio muno ni. Mheshimiwa Jamlek.
Jamlek Kamau.
Yes.
Ndageitheka muno.
That man with a commanding voice.
JK.
Yes. Ake ndio muno ni kuwati uchambuzi wa magazeti wa Gatonye should be a protected heritage.
No, it should.
Akawa it should actually be gazetted as a copyright.
It should.
No, it is incomparable, impeccable.
Gatonye erevo ya
Larry King.
Yes.
Larry King. Na ore eta te mundu okire oku akiruma jamu itu. Oyo koro CNN. This business guy.
Mugane. Cooper, Anderson Cooper.
No, not Anderson Cooper. The other one that says, "Oh no, the dollar is going to be." What is his name? The JK wanamjua. Yeye ya ukao. Eta oriri. Quest.
Oh, Richard Quest.
Yes.
Quest means business.
You got on your Kiroki. Quest means business. It's from the UK.
Maũithagia muthenya
barigise
makiongerera makongerera utuku
tunawanauo unajua wakiongeza mchana tutawashangamkia hapa social media hawatarara vyema
ala at least kugoithia na shiringi mugwanja ri riu at least ku ni kugoithia yara magoithagia na shiringi mugwanja at least riu ku ni kugoithia
bau magoithia ringi itina uguo ringi
magoithia na ingi mugwanja riu next review
no kana 10
na ndaigua president yakeria Kericho ni auga ona next month ile mekugwa.
He's very positive about it.
Munene ukimenye tundu tu tutiriganagirwo.
Oh please ni turukuririkana undu ucio muno.
Tundu tutariganagirwo.
Ego please.
Magia kugwa next month.
We will remind you.
We will remind you are one.
Because you said it and you are Kenya one. Yes.
Magutane mangite goro bururi uyu.
Moru kinyaru ni matiga ngari.
Muno.
Yes.
That is reduced economic activity.
Absolutely.
Makegoithia next lifetime na mugwanja ingi kana 10.
We are in the proper trajectory. Ndio tuthietari. We'll be good.
Wima.
There is a novel I read back in the year 2000. The River and the Source. It was actually repeated as a set book just the other year by Margaret Agola. A story that speaks of the chief Derogogni of the tribe of Yimbu. We are the first people. Yes.
Oh, she must have come across it.
As the first class. Okay, as a set book. The River and the Source. And characters like a Coco, you know, and many more. Yes, and of course, Ario the Malik. It's a very interesting novel. Otherwise, the man should actually read it. One day in the smoky heart of a catch. Yes. If you could read it, there was a saying in it, for a home without daughters is like a river without a source. Yes. Yeah, a home without daughters is like a what?
A river without a source.
Yes. Na kure utoke kurari. Hemesi hoa koraga. You see most homes would have a mix of children. No kwe deshirira ya wega. Yes. Kwe dia do marage ya si na wega.
Wega ta wega.
So there was availability of food. Yes.
Na ngondo citiranyihite.
Yes. No akora andu ni kenda ni
mugwanja
komi
na igiru mathakagira namba ine mugwanja upwards.
Yes, akora kuna brothers and sisters. But there were homes who would have only daughters. Yes. And only sons. Yes. They were only daughters. Bakoraga, you know, back then, I don't remember the moon of one hakahi. Nowadays we are okay. Yes. Tell them one hakahi ni akiriru mo.
Mono.
It is still very important. Lakini sasa ikikataa
imekataa.
Leo akora mundu ageire ile tuana. No aguthina mbere kugeria kuyake.
Wetha kahi.
Leo akora mucio mowena around 9 daughters. Makirana atiri. This is our destiny. Yes.
Tukubali ilivyo.
Wasichana wetu wako tu sawa. No akora mucio no ile tu athe.
No ile tu atheri.
Yes. Ngake Ngai no. He hotha go muiretu umwe. Atuika the alpha female.
Among us the 9 daughters.
Yes.
Or 8.
It was not necessarily the firstborn. Hario umwe tu. Umana jeans yake ikiria hivi agia.
Na kayo joneta weke kia mushi yoi.
Gary anage okay kia kuna ke. Na manja right from the very young years. Aiwa. Mwale watu kwani. Watu ile tu the kwani na kwa mutumia. Mwale wani kwa unainge hiyo he. Wewe wangari. Wewe unake ne mwana mwezu ganeke. Ndoroma yetu kile barazi. Dume we.
No yo basa yo.
Ojo ayo. Wewe ni mujisana. Adweka a proper wajake he. Yes. Wewe wadire kuangari. Muroremete igoro ni andete muko igoro.
Ndio matu wa makondo na maembe.
Ndio na toile to ure. Musi wa arora wa observe mannerisms cia keri. Ni aba wathi wa itherero ri. Aho kiona tunya tutatu twaga. Toro no ari haiba ke.
No ari haiba mifera na mikondo.
No watu mao ali present ohe
mucini ucio.
Yes.
Ne tumagwa tware. Ne athiaga ruru.
Ni mare ithagia.
Ne athia ruru.
Ari ithagia ng'ombe. Yes. No kwa hano ke view. Nyane ukumwona na kigwana ni uramenya kwa gutire igwa.
you know, when they decided to become so.
Yes.
Nimako mali manly.
Not they would overdo. Not they were incredibly alpha female. No, na kwenda nyamusia za one the females. Rema tuweka a serious alpha female. Ona karane o.
No, nema gaisa yakinya ihesi aitora.
Wega pio. Ona nimonga girore twali yake. Geseni. Getietagerio gwande ihe.
Geseni gia kwa magiri.
Yes. Ona getiatabura gaciumeri.
Hapana.
Yatabura modu wina gathabari gakugimara. Not this umeri.
After the bridge.
Kiumeri yetu gutana. I can deal with you the
same way.
No, they were manly.
Ezi kwa jado adifenda kasi anasi yao.
Yes.
Idia nini?
Koratha kabe.
Deal na wewe.
The younger girls will ni mama nyawa gare wawe ha. Utiodo magiurio. Yes.
No akuhura.
No akuhura.
No saga. Ya saga. Menau. Bana no alia. Ya kule kwa Juma. Na kila gita kokeni. Na uge. No again you lunia dia come thoma ne amioi
ni amenya gang iyo
he can identify the gang
mihinyia othe ona ne masia DJ Afro pale alipoambiwa kuna mtu amepiga dada yake hasira ikamtoka
kiune kanyona rucio thuku
kanyona
kiu etijoi
kwaja na tio hagio thukuru mari yoru alpha female icio akuragira hanyuja oka banyo kwa kaigwa kauma why neke
nigezeni
ura ne moi yetu neke acha kivi yagui ale maheni. No, those guys were bad news.
You know, it was not a very good thing Korio ura ne moi yetu neke.
No, it was not. It was actually me ako idageria bonga points muno.
Orumo no
bonga points yako
na o gangster
rating re gangster points
nisia ikorokaga
ona ndoyo no ani karaja airetu age kuona no hore
no to is the target
azumia mau atiri totirarega ni uru asusa na kirathimi ona ciana ciretu theri no angare wake ni agutwikira ihesi tuguoya
itugutanirie Mwangi wa serari
mwana ucio no arauga ni araigua ki no hiarahurirwo totiaraga mwana ucio ni arakia mundu atuike kihekia muci ucio toro ni akiruta wira oguo no ri munye tuzi ni afatia kanio erwo bara ni ri githimi hati fata hure mwana uri ongi wa kahia cokia muikie rui no they were brutal. Yes, your class is here to soft life. The quiet to other. Marco, there is a wing commander. The all powerful alpha female.
Yes, there's a platoon.
Yes,
one lady platoon.
Kaire to Kaharang Obe Namuruke. Man solo. Idia yoka kolia. Abere muruke. No me geria ku. Ni wangare. Wako na mole wa maito ni mundu wa wira. She woman handled. She woman handled the cow on heat and contained it.
Na mande kete iria kuraihu ekura mwande kaga iria okabide de ciothe wagira no nginya otukirirwo no she will go
and na gaga para gatagati tano yake jamba korala gratu ile tu hakura ngui Ale mama nyade hakuragirwo mucie tondu kuria hakurirwo
ku ndingiraga ringi
riu yatwara woru wi Gela ya disamo etangara ginyako
ecoke mucie takwa hea
oya ka disama man. No, most of those guys ended up in the forces.
Yeah, you can't make forces.
Yes, or a very senior administrators. Ni mwana ni wara ko na musio siori. Ekorogamia o.
Ekorogamia mwe.
Stereo mwe. Look at all those ladies. They are in a very senior administrative post.
Na matirengaga mwaki.
Gara kana mwiretu wa kwa jamaa twalitageria faithikiria hata aigeria kuguru o. Huko na kiseni yevie.
Vigethei. Bebe malepe mbele.
Eria vigethei ni ana address. Una address yihuri tonduro huo. Akaura gegere click. Wabarikiwe sana those alpha females.
Like
You see, there were levels of dynasties. Well, by today's standards, Tonga. Now, Korea do work or Agishagi. As you don't know, man, go, let's see, that's your curse. Tonga. Yes.
Gorigana na that level.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, we killed to Kirato back in the days when we were Rayona curse.
No Tonga.
Nanikira to at the Kodo. You get my point.
Tikiumi atewathi kanitha.
Yes. Donato mo broti rogo. Donathi na ithere.
Donathi itherero. Kundu raingira ngari.
Na tutinda na iratu. You were considered a dynasty. Yes. Ati uko breakfast ya nyure. Tipata potea. Aye, la rogo masuko tu kurare. Breakfast, dear breakfast.
Actually, what people used to call breakfast.
Yes.
They call yes,
yes,
that.
And of course, that was dependent on the gestation of your cow.
Yeah, you kiari.
Oh yeah, you can always say you're semi-translucent. Oh yeah, kwani kana leo mutiakia de kali.
Afana.
Because it will transform into what?
It is a cost.
Into money. Yes.
Iri ni mwade ke 15 igere. Todo tia ige mande kagate chupa igo kinya igere.
Ah bana, itwenelita igere.
Really?
Umenyere mwade ke 15 icho igere.
Ni yatagwo chupa mwe.
Yes. Na gotire musie toke kurota arukenge. Rukenge ru consume 50%
of the precious commodity.
Yes.
That is milk.
Muona kwa jaribu kamito kama na kiri iguru na iri. Oh, you're lucky. No, things were tough. When mesi wako ragadu ate kule mandikite iriari. You see there was like a shed. Mesi dere ya yo ikaine. Okoro de hiyo kagia iria ate ni one time.
Mani aduru mena ng'ombe ciganona.
Titi aduru wa ng'ombe mwe. Ibuti monopoly.
It's not one home, one cow.
So they had a shed to avoid the water. Go kiria muraga no cio muigire. They had a shed harugirine. Yeah, okay. Yes. Iria. Riu omuro ni amenya cuba yake. He moya garita ithatu. Ka gitatia. Ka foi o kaerianto. Duacho. Lita ithatu.
Ithatu.
Yes.
Kamwena mwako.
Kamwena geli.
Kakwewira. Kamwena wira kwanyu. Lita ithatu.
Daily. Moya lita ithatu daily. Na iwe wakora ukanyu nura kamenya.
Tobo higana mushakwe.
Yes. Kanyu ati yakoma hiyo. Toga community ite.
Ere ite ka.
Mukiona musajia kamusakwe ka unega akorire riu. Waja kweho no wake no kuwete iria tondu yakore ihiu. Kariki yao.
Kirite njegeke.
Yes. Similarly, ogwo no gwo uwezo aridi. Miumagarira kumigemia wakoragwo. Ota uno wakora kwira kindu gitagwo you know, talent was just talent. Na talent no ni iruagirira. Yes. Emwebia kana mutari. Yes. Uno wakora rimwe kuna inter schools. When wachagurwo ni muguthie obe.
Muguthie mathako ma sono.
Ma sono. Kana ma district.
Kana ma district.
Ma sono maita maingi ni kuringa.
Aha. Mau ne ruti 11.
Ara uwe ogugituika he undu rathio nyakahurari. Atare muri.
No, you walk.
Yes, it's just over yonder. Riu ni wakora ni kurathio inter school activities. Riu hau no amenya ni kuri dynasty na ni kuri common man. Mwananishi wa kawaida.
Wajiko dhulaku.
You see, Chalaisi ya the very few dynasties back there nire. Maheo bia vari matia hegaga irio.
Yehe kwena inter school ciana iria aciari mari no hotire. Muthenya ucio wathia ta ndithi. Casual urungi uguo.
Ukaigua ni heirwo kuburi.
Kina ciringi mondo ya go sustain.
Kuburi na kuburi kwende ya gura indo nyingi we. Kuburi ni kingori kiria gia kona.
Kingori kiria tene gia kona.
Yes.
No kuburi ukuri hone.
We no tigie. Riu mwathi okoro mwathi sekiriraini. No wokaga merchant. Yes.
Nigoka edia indo ngurani.
Yes.
Muno ni indo ni edibles.
Yes. Of course it's edibles because not many pupils or students would buy souvenirs.
Ni vitu vya kukula.
Okay, there was someone biz. My hope that you kona agura ifuku.
Lauko.
You starve wewe.
Ajifanya msasi.
Najifanya you are an author.
Hiyo ni kazi ya msasi.
Riwona leo to dynasty to working around the lunch break. Activities here break. Adjudicators makaga will be back at 2:30. Please be back and seated in the hall by 2:30. Mwathi hali akiwaje kwa dynasty ngoni ruo musofta. Digo que Antonio es softa.
No, acá está medio bien.
Musofta wa kweta wa Coco Pine. Kana kwa Coca-Cola ya softa tali Coca-Cola. Ni softa wa gura gemwe. Okamudu ke. Ya ila fa ya bogo. Bogo ne buy one, get one. Wana mudeni station yana.
Igorero.
Igorero softa. Kaheo keki ria shole to mudo nyite chef.
Kana mukonye
mure umwega. Ai karaga kane osoda riu ewegi. Yes. Weri. Rugogoro kwanyu ri. Kiugo bia ri.
Bia ko ni othoni.
Anjira no waikaraga kwanyu. Ukarero gakinya class kid 5. Utare wona physical money. Ni oya ihira wona ria ciekuo.
Kwanyu neta bangi.
Nego kei. Reko mwana ndase wathia wakora ndiro iguru haigireirwo bia.
Ati hena makoini.
Ati mena ihu ari holito money plant. Tenere mijirio mashini.
Kwanyu ri.
Bia. Besha.
O sere ara dhanrea.
Ona wari omo survive ga onu huo. Tona thoguo na ko wareti.
You rarely see him transacting money.
But he doesn't. Ozia cia dynasty kiria mekonye ku uri. We wacoka ha ni gutumetwo okay?
Ni gutumetwo rigu. We tumirwo rigu. The old school way.
And 90%, 98% of the times, kiria kuwete ri. Kiumetwo tiri no awe. There's nothing outsourced.
Maciaro ma mugunda.
Maciaro ma thumu wa ng'ombe. Ukoroke tutere tondu ni uraumagara. Wakohorwo mitungo.
Na yashusha ngo iganire lunch box.
Na pakiro gacumbi mwena.
Tere murathie mathako ma district Murang'a.
Kana muno ni akwarurukite. What do you call that kapanga ya kulima? Kashiri kwenjwo ngwaci cigano
ciari ngithio mwaki
na andu manjihuru wega ni andu manjihuru cia hewa thogu no cio no ya privilege ya kuya andu make
no manjihuru
ndoma ihana uria cioragwo ibuku-ini ina waste
ndoma size 80
ndoma ina figa na iguru hana njungwa ordinary ndu menge umire cio ya hewa thoguo no tondu nu wathi kurugamirira kioneki you are an ambassador
of the family and clan.
Yes. Na cio na ketoni areretwo ni uragithie ku represent muhiriga mathako-ini ri ni arakugagatiirie iria na kugagatiria ni gwakamwo ni gatigwo deliberately
riume mara
agiro gacuba ero ni odisa
macuba-ini patiri topu
waria ugetha karugiri handu hena keruru away from human
away from many eyes.
Yes.
And encroachment.
No ya kindu ngiari riu dynasty mari ya mbere ya andu because they would feel proud taking that junk. Not a weary. Tondu you look like a scavenger.
No wethe keruru handu secluded.
You can convince him that is very special treatment by your standards.
Ate kwanyu kwiimitwo iria
manyu ya turugi wagaterio ke
wagaterio iria murathi mathako ma district
agiamba ukarwa na mutungo karwa na sirio alo aketu ka umano no ka endo spam ha tuya tukupata wazo karu okoya ngwa ciri cigwa turanitio meri oguo getha ci ni undu wa presentation
wendora maidika ni hehu
ukania wega wacukaru karikiriria na ndisa iria riake yakugatio na toro kwanyu naguo nukurakire kimera kia maembe ri ni urakuite matatu ma njamba uretikirio utue gwa gathuita to kwanyu gutire muti ucio lo and behold ugacoka we reinvigorated.
Yes. Na watu guthio cross country.
Wathio cross country.
Ne beli urobura.
Ndora umathi no na ne mweri wa mwori anyoni. Urathio gitogaga.
Tano fejurire.
Ale mwori anyoni mweri wa hoke.
Nene.
Aya. Lakini sasa ni sisi sasa hawa.
Nena.
Oh, yes. Since it's Thursday, you see, I don't know, Mark has made different designations, of course, based on the background. The professionals, the accountants, yes. Okay, compare to the Maria Mori. Nalia Maria Ugi wa Musiali.
Nabe do Manuel Kude.
Ne kudire tell you get on the family and who identified the guitar here. Did ya jajo?
Si honorary.
Did I tell you metura? Metura meta on the guitar. So we are like doctor of medicine like Boni Khalwale. There are very few. Not again the like you are carried. No go here school.
Nioko ihuri ya boxi.
Andu atugura afigo. No ti ndagitari ukigura figo.
Wika atia.
A doctor of medicine ona wakiri. No ga wakiri we kambuni yake ya kwendia migunda. Uno we kagira ma transfer.
Yo yo no agora figo.
Ina kugura figo. Kana leja. No ya beretia rapta. Leja fodi no ya bere. Yes.
Fodi leja.
Yes. Kana bi kafu. Yes. Leure. And no get to ria wega ri. Me sukuru ri. You would have told no atogioneke. You see there were those people who were religious. Lita jea sukuru ri. No muthia kanitha lita joka igua he andu macokagia na he matũrĩte kanitha but they have no clue.
They mama around there.
No, they actually swallow their tongues. Mutukatire ugathiriri. Moetu, the Lord be with you, moetu, and also with you. Well, nego da guerra kigogona. Amen.
Alo igiro microphone. Mumu ihokere.
On Apostles' Creed. Ewe take your ake. Watu muo.
Ego etekia.
Amen.
Hauma kamatia.
Well, no makoyo nagafuku kau. No na kono ko mahegania kwa pace. Ndi watu wacio twe thukuru ri. Nio matakobagia note. Yes. Kwaja cia dictation. No ya ende kirathi mwalimu wa kinyaga kamwandikira bodi ne kamwandikira
mukamurumirira.
Yes. Na those people that mako muno nyama ke maluthuri ka mukunji itonga cio cie prado cia muniuru na ne mekite face lift ya kakadu na utukanire ya tene maura body kit menderia andu guoya
face lift yehetwo.
Yes. Acio nio mwalimu ihuria body afuta mauga dakijete nudu. What is it, Jaraba?
I'm not seeing well.
You have rubbed where I have not finished.
Unaandika kama mzee Kobe.
Okay, you audio. Wajira, have you finished? Yes. And you? Yes. Where the Bogorara? You shall copy from the rest. Then nawacha geria how. Tona wale maandike kũuri mona atari Hansard iri arutio the Magna Carta kuri ya UK igithondeka katiba kala kagerio Lancaster ni ya hari thuku
Hansard keeper.
Yes. Umerete atiriri. Okay, go via note.
Maku.
Ndio sio mara gana notice yori. Ni ora umetaka aya matai no meteka notice yo harabi.
Life has no balance.
No balance. Bo kala mo kai wari mwari moria wa komas. Ya muru pio Mr. Bogo. Ni okara ndwikite homework yake. Akaba okaka muhe reu teaser. Yoria egwika oka. Yes. Munajua filia tunafanyaga homework yangu si munajua? Yes. Na avi. Anisha vihe gofi homework.
Urale kuira Hawaii.
You are lazy. Waandike ya textbook. Na le mwana wako fagio wako via mundu no kagwa.
An exercise in futility.
Kana wakija handu mwalimu okari. Akwa ndio gikare degree yo heto masters. You sit be in front of a panel. Okame defend. You know how to defend. Kero. Eri jagushu. Come up here and tell us how you went around in number 3 because you got all of the marks. Explain to us how you were able to explain the Portuguese conquest of East Africa.
Duri una.
Okagama. We ona ekofia do na memorize.
This being foolish.
No, don't waste it again. We okweodo rubber stamp.
Okay, ko memorize ginyo kiandika.
No, you see, do the code. I explain your answer.
You got it right.
You got it very right. Upiani makofi. Tulo wa hururu. No, kamanya, you don't deserve. Kamanya, these idiots are wasting their effort and they know. No, mayada okuaneka mki.
Mayada okuneana.
Maka ulalo na
Mwalimu huwa ndakamba akamenya hau hari undu githemba kiria wahurirwo ruhi.
Yes,
it leaves a lot to be desired.
Yes, Galuva, we are waiting for you. Well, good morning again. How are you?
Good.
Very well. My name is Brian Galvamu Kenya. Okay, yule mundu haya na mari twa na accent ya muhiriga. Okay, manyo. Kill those choppies would give their names. Okay, yes. My name is Shelmith Wangari Karaoke. No, how are you? My name is Elijah Gushwa Mwireri. He's about to tell you a lot of nothing. He's about to waste
your precious time.
Yes. Tell us. How did you go about your answer? I first of all, the denominator and the fraction of the numerator, they is not the same.
What are you saying?
I don't know how to do stuff. So no one that is siphon. They on the pajari.
Kuibia.
Break time no aturagia maru hau uri okuheire uire ri tuko kamuria atiriri kiroria ngofiria no ri here moda soparade
na kando akwerethere and you are running short of time. Akajia uthekerera.
Yes. Mando je maturagia maru hau ri neo thikũ icio igua FRR inya cie mai mahiu ena 40 foot irakiri ya pot ukarigwo how and they don't eat formal meals. No na dwa thom uti mundu kuigirira nyama ya twekiraga ikagio ma spinach mama
Defend.
Defend your answer. Explain how you arrive at -10.
Before this panel.
Before the
Well,
first of all,
Mr. Wawelu,
my mother helped me.
You are not addressing me, address the class.
Thanks you. Wow.